Assalamualaikum. Officially nomination important dates and nomination fees. Dear member of Greater Hyderabad Member Society, this is official inform all the respected members that upcoming election for the Executive Management Committee of Greater Hyderabad Society have been formally declared. In order to ensure a transparent, systematic and democratic process, the election schedule and guidelines have been structured in compliance with the society bylaws. Participate in the management committee election give member a vital opportunity to lead, serve and drive positive development within our community. All eligible members who wish to contest for any available position are requested to file their nomination and a deposit respective mandatory. Non-refundable nomination and agent fee within the stipulated time outlined in this document. 1. Nomination agent fee structure. To maintain serious and decorum of the electoral process, the management committee of Greater Hyderabad has fixed a specific nomination and agent structure corresponding to the responsibility of each post. The fee must be submitted along the application form. Below are the details of the regulations. President Sadar 15,000 15,000. Vice President Nayab Sadar 10,000. Secretary 6,000. Joint Secretary 6,000. Treasurer Khazanchi 6,000. Executive Member Arkan 5,000. Details of electoral position. Each post carries significant responsibility towards the smooth cooperation, asset maintenance and financial welfare of the society. Candidates are requested to familiarize themselves with the role before applying. President Apex Administrative Head responsible for overseeing all major policy decisions, hearing general body meeting and representative of the society at statutory level. Vice President work in closer coordination with President and assume full executive power and leadership responsibility in absence of President. Secretary, the administrative executive responsible for day-to-day operation, record keeping, member communication and management regulatory compliance. Joint Secretary, assist the Secretary in administrative tasks and act as primary lead for execution of special community project and sub-community operation. Treasury, handle the financial portfolio, maintain of books of account, collection of society, dues and presentation of annual audit financial statement. Executive member, form the core voting block of the committee, heading various financial panel like security, maintenance, cultural affairs and grievance. Third, important date and election schedules. All candidates general body of the Greater Hyderabad Member Society must strictly adhere to schedule provided below. No extension or late submission will be entered under any circulations. Last date of submission of the application, December 5, 2026. All interested candidates must submit their completed nomination form along with proof of fee payment to Election Commission officer before the close of the business hours on this date. Last date for withdraw nominations, December 10, 2026. If candidate wish to withdraw their name or cancel their candidate for any reason, they must submit a form return request for this date. Polling, election and counting date, January 10, 2027. Voting will be taken place via secret ballot immediately following the conclusion of the polling process. The official counting of the vote accounting will be commenced after 5 p.m. in the evening. For rule and guidance and member appeals, the voting process is the fundamental right of every registered member of Greater Hyderabad Member Society to maintain absolute fairness and independent election. Election officer will monitor all phases of the polling and counting. Candidates are strictly prohibited for engaging any activity that violate the model of conduct of or distribute harmony within the community premises. Important instruction for members. All interested members are essentially requested to strictly follow the rules and guidelines and deadlines mentioned above. Please ensure that your nomination form, mandatory PR and clearance certificate, no-due certificate are properly documented and submitted on time to prevent any issue or disqualification during the scrutiny. Thank you, Election Management Authority. Thank you. Those important elections commission की dates for submission dates December 6 and last date December 10. Thank you.